Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video I want to create a Laravel Livewire contact form, and for that I have opened the Tiling CSS because I want to add the Tiling CSS with CDN in our application. I have opened the Livewire website because I want to install the Livewire, and I have found this contact form in the tilingcomponents.com. Also I have opened the account in the mailtrap.io because I want to work with a mailtrap. And now I'm going to create a new Laravel application, and I'm going to name it contact. So Laravel new contact, and it's going to create a new application in the contact folder. And after that we need to install the Livewire. Okay, copy this one. So if you go to the Livewire website and go to the documentation, and here just copy this command, navigate to the application, sit in the contact and run the command we copied. Okay, I'm going to open this with PHP Storm, and I want to add the Livewire styles and scripts. So copy the styles here, and in the resources, views, welcome blade, here I want to add the styles. I'm going to remove this and add the styles here, and before the body is closed I'm going to add the scripts here. Okay, and now we have add the Livewire here, but we won't end the tiling CSS, so copy this one and add it here. Okay, and we are good to go now. If I open the contact test, here is our application. Now I want to make a Livewire component, so artisan make Livewire component, and I'm going to name it contact form. Okay, I'm going to copy this one and go here, and in the contact form blade we created, I'm going to add this one, and in the welcome blade now remove this and add our Livewire component here. Livewire we can add like this, and the component name is contact form. Contact form. Okay, and I have here we are. Okay, if I go here and refresh, contact from, sorry, it's typo here, contact form, and refresh. Yeah, here is our website or application, but maybe we're going to add in the div with a class of a container and makes auto. Okay, refresh now. Yeah, now here is our form, and if I go here, I'm going to close the welcome, and here we have the contact form Livewire component. This is the blade one. I'm going to open the class one, so contact form. This is a class. Going to open in the row, and now this is social media. I'm going to remove this one or leave it, no problem. So here we have the name. We need to add the properties here for the name, email and message. So first we need to add our mail address to the .env file, and if I open the .env, we need to configure this one, and in the my trap, just where we have the drop down here, search for the Laravel and copy this one and paste it here. And maybe the mail from address is going to be from address.com, and close this one. Okay, and now we need to add the properties here. So public name and public email, and another one for the public message. Okay, if now I want to add these properties to bind in our form here, so we have the input for the name. I'm going to add the wire model name, and when we have for the email, and the same thing for the message. And here we have a button to send with type submit. So in our form here we can add wire submit and prevent, and the name is going to be send contact. Okay, copy this, and here we're going to create a new function method. Okay, that with that name. And now I want to validate the form here. So protected the rules is going to be an array with our properties with a name, which is going to be required, and email is going to be required and email, and the message is going to be required and minimum of 5 characters. Okay, now in the send contact we can call the validate this validate. Okay, so if we have some problems, we're not going down there. And here in the contact form blade we need to display the error. So after the input I'm going to add error helper, and error for the name is going to be, we'll add the span here and display that message. Okay, and error, and copy this one and I'm going to add to the email here, but change the name to email, and to the message change name to message. Okay, and we are going to try now if the validate work. So go to our website, refresh, and if I hit the send button, yeah, we have the name field is required, email is required, and message is required. If I type something here and not a validated email, hit send again. Now we have the email must be a valid email address. Okay. Now we need to create to make an mail from with artisan command, artisan make mail, and I'm going to name it contact mail. Okay. So now here I'm going to call it mail. Sorry. Close this one and mail, and make sure you import that. And we need to add to the admin email.com and send that new mail we created, and what mail we created, contact mail. Okay. And we need to add the name, email, and message here, and I'm going to create a variable here, details. It's going to be an array with our properties name, this name, and this is going to be email, and this is going to be a message. Okay. Close this one and now add the details here. Okay, open the email now. So contact mail, yeah, and here we add the public details, and here we expect the details, and this details is going to be the details we have. Sorry. Okay. Now when we build, we return the view. We don't have any view. I'm going to create new one and call it contact. But here I'm going to add the from. So from the and I'm going to add the details here. Sorry, this details, and the email is in the details form. So this is going to send from this email. Okay, we can add our email, but it's better to add this one. And I'm going to create a new blade with name contact. Okay, add the HTML here, and here just add the h1 contact form from Laravel Livewire, and name is now we have details here, so we have access to these details in our contact blade, and we are going to display the details name, and copy this one and paste it here, and here, this is going to be the message, and here message. Okay, and we are ready to try now. So we have the details here, and return to this view, so this view, and here we send the contact mail. Okay, go here and try, refresh first, and with that Livewire test.com, the email and the message, hit the send button, and nothing happened. If I go to the, yeah, we have the email here, contact form from Laravel Livewire. I'm going to remove this and go here, so when we send the email I'm going to clear the form, and we have the helper here, this reset from Livewire. Go and try again, refresh, and Laravel test.com and message here. Okay, send now, and yeah, we clear the form. If we go to our message, our email, we have the email, and now the name is Laravel message, and it's coming from the Laravel.test. Okay, try again, and now it's coming from the Laraveler and Laraveler test.com and message, hit send again. Okay, yeah, it's clear, and we have another one from the Laraveler, and name is Laraveler. Okay, and this is how we can make the contact form with Livewire. We can do more. We can display a notification here, but for this video we are okay. I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.